Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today we're going to take a look at the Minax. Now I am such a huge fan of this knife. I'm really digging this long sweep and belly right here. It works really well for the different type of cutting tasks that I have down here in the south. You know, skinning, fire making, food prep, all the little stuff that I do when I'm not filming. This just works so great for. You can see it has this beautiful stonewash finish, and the blade is made from CPM 20CV, which is pretty much the standard blade steel of a lot of knives. It is considered a drop point and has this awesome little thumb hole opener, which you can spidey flick very, very easily. The detent on this knife is perfect, so you have no trouble doing so. Bronze titanium handle, which I'm really digging the millwork on. There's no sharp edges or hot spots anywhere, so it feels really comfortable in the hands both ways I hold it. The choil placement is pretty much perfect, though I would have liked to seen a little bit more jimping right here on the spine. The pocket clip is tip up, right hand carry only, and of course it is a frame lock. High carbide lock bar insert, keep you from chipping away at the lock bar. You know, you're going to be flipping this knife if you get it, because the action is just so smooth and solid. You can't help but fidget with it. Now the overall length on this guy is an even 8 inches. The blade is 3.50 with a cutting edge of 3.25. The thickness is 0.16. The handle length or close length is 4.50 with a width of 1 inch and a thickness of 0.50. The weight on this guy is 4.640. So definitely a great EDC weight. You know, honestly, once you feel this knife in your hands and see how well it's built, 4.6 is really, really good because this thing is stout and it feels excellent in the hands. Now, compared to the Para 2, you can see it is roughly 3/4 of an inch bigger than that. Compared to the Bug Out, maybe about a 1/2 inch, something like that. But again, it's a great EDC size, and I have zero complaints about this knife. If you asked me if I would pay the $265 that these things sell for, yeah, 100%. Definitely worth it. And honestly, I'm so excited to see what else We's going to come up with next, because everything they've been doing here lately, I've been really impressed by. Even this little guy. We'll have a review on that coming up here soon, which I'm going to try and space it out a little bit, considering, you know, I don't want to do just Wii Civivi. You know, I like to try and mix things up, but honestly, this is how they've been coming to me. So, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.